Yes, sir. I do a question to Madhu. How you increase reading skills for the class learning English? I mean to say,
Not too much, but
do you read any book, any uh, app used to speak English?
no, I'm not. But I use YouTube channel, news and English for YouTube, and I read and I watch, listen, just listen.
Okay. Sir, you are saying yesterday that used to e-reader app, na?
I'll show you.
Sir, I downloading, but that app is not work.
How?
Sir, in that app, recent stored that types of things.
This app, like this, things will come out. Okay, sorry. Yeah, recent. Now in recent, this many books are there in me, but for you it won't come. You have to go to here menu bar. Okay, then here you have to go for scan device. When you go for scan device, why I am showing this? I have a video, man. I will say, you just go. I will give you the link. I have a video. I recorded all videos and I put it for you guys only, so that you guys won't suffer. You do exactly what I told, and your app will work out. If it is not working after that, tell me. I will give you some other app. Hello? Hey, everyone today having network issue or what?
No, sir.
No, sir. You having Wi-Fi,
No,
man.
sir.
So you are luckiest guy here. No, no. I think Susma ma'am also is having Wi-Fi. But these days
Yes.
Wi-Fi people also are. गुलशन भाई, आप आप बोल नहीं पाते हो कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन सुनना है। ओके, किसी भी भाषा को
सुन लो।
अगर किसी भी भाषा को हम लोग अगर सीखना चाहते हैं तो पहला चीज़ हमको ये करना पड़ता है, हमको भाषा को सुनना पड़ता है। और सुनने का टाइम कभी कभार बहुत लॉन्ग होता है। पहले हम सुनते हैं, दूसरा स्टेज में हम लोग समझ पाते हैं, तीसरा स्टेज में हम लोग बोल पाते हैं। ओके, अगर बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है आपको शायद समझ में आता होगा थोड़ा थोड़ा। अगर समझ में भी नहीं आता है तो सुनिए, तो सुनने के बाद आपको समझ में आना स्टार्ट होगा, उसके बाद आपका बोलना स्टार्ट होगा। लेकिन हम अगर सुनेंगे नहीं तो हम लोग बोल नहीं पाएंगे, समझ भी नहीं पाएंगे, बोल भी नहीं पाएंगे। तो यही सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत का काम होता है। जब हमको समझ में नहीं आता है तब हमको सुनना पड़ता है। लेकिन क्या करें, बच्चा लोग उसको पार कर लेता है, इसीलिए बच्चा लोग बहुत जल्दी कोई भी भाषा को सीख लेता है। बड़ा लोग करना नहीं चाहता है, आपको सुनना है। ओके, और वीडियो इसीलिए सबको खोल के बात करने के लिए बोलते हैं, ताकि आपको समझ में आए हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं। कभी कभार ऐसा होता है हम क्या बोल रहे हैं वो समझ में नहीं आएगा, आवाज़ आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन हमारा एक्सप्रेशन देख के आपको समझ में आ सकता है हम क्या बोलना चाहते हैं। ओके, इसीलिए ध्यान से सुनना ज़रूरी है। या नाउ यू गाइस कैन कंटिन्यू। शालिनी, मधु।
Yes, sir.
या Shalini guess that Madhu is a very good reader. Okay, but I think Madhu herself doesn't know that Madhu is a good reader. You don't know Madhu. When you send video, if anyone is watching your video, they will feel that you are a professional English speaker. Okay, I am shocked. My data gone 90% anyway. So people will think that you are very professional English speaker, but you don't believe it. Today also you are heckling, and I know you don't practice much, but you listen some videos. That's great thing. Okay, Now Smriti is there. Jyoti,
Yes,
Jyoti.
sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. See, Smriti is here and Pallavi is here. Can you speak with them?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat again?
Yeah, Smriti is here and Pallavi is here. Can you speak with them?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Hello, Pallavi. Hello. Hello, Pallavi sister. Are you hear my voice?
I think Smriti is available. You can speak to Smriti.
Okay, sir. Hello, Smriti. Where are you?
This is Bisal Vaibhav.
Hello.
That is only Smriti. How I understood, I
Yeah,
don't
this is
remember her
Bisal.
face, but Vaibhav, I remember that title.
Yeah. Hello, sister.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine. And you?
I am also good. So, where are you from?
I'm from Bihar, for this one. And you?
I am from Chhattisgarh and my district name is Bajar and my village name is Bhadgaon. I am in BSc first year and you?
I am in BSc Part 2
Oh, you are senior.
in mathematics.
Oh, in mathematics?
Yes.
It's great.
Sir, you say
Yeah, say.
How old are you, sir?
sir, install app. I install app Pratilipi app.
Huh?
What, sister?
She is, I think, asking about app.
I install a app, sir.
Okay.
Its name is Pratilipi app.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know about that. Please explain.
It's a good app, sir. Pratilipi app for read English.
Pratilipi app for read English. Okay, I will check it out. Okay, I will check it out. I don't
Yes.
know that app. If it is good, then you can use it.
Yes, sir.
Pratilipi.
What happened in this app?
Yeah, you get some stories and some audiobooks there.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I know.
There's many books available.
Yeah, so see, these are audiobook app. Okay, but which one I am preferring, you can read any PDF with that app. Okay, any book. You are
Yes.
not bound by those preloaded book. You can download any book from Google and then you can continue. Okay, I will give you some books, because see, all people do not need same book. Although we can read it, but according to our interest, we may have some different kind of interest. Accordingly, we can read book. So that is what I ask your interest first, and then I just say I will give you some book and you can read it. And on that app, good thing is you can understand each and every pronunciation. Okay, and if you have a computer, especially laptop of Windows 10, then in Windows 10 there is a inbuilt browser, EDG. Okay, Edge. On that browser, if you open PDF and do that play, okay, you will get even more better voice. I almost 1 year I used that app. Yeah, so I think Smriti, you got it, no? What I said?
Yes, sir.
ओके पल्लवी कहाँ पे हो? अब बात नहीं
I'm
करो,
here.
अब बात नहीं करोगे तो हाँ, नेटवर्क खराब है क्या?
Yes, sir. थोड़ा बहुत.
अब गिर गए थे, अब गिर गए थे कहीं पे?
No, sir.
कहीं पे गिरे थे क्या? नहीं, हम ऐसे ही पूछ रहे हैं, अब गिर गए थे कहीं पे?
No, sir.
नहीं तो फिर आपका दांत कैसे टूट गया?
नहीं है टूटा.
तो ऐसे करके मीन्स you are hiding your face. No, just you put that photo, so I just thought that you are trying to, you have teeth, you can show like this. I have teeth. Yeah, you have teeth, she has teeth. Okay, nobody should doubt. Jyoti, you should not doubt other people. Yeah, so Pallavi, see, there is a brother, there is a brother sitting behind Susma ma'am. I don't know his name. I think one time he said, can you ask him